today we're going to have a very special brunch. Everybody's been asking me about my amazing banana muffins. So, I made some already. I made them with plantains. You can also make them with plantains. So today we have banana muffins. All we need are 2 eggs, 3 bananas, half a stick of butter. Swoosh it all around, and then add some flour, some sugar, and some baking soda, and a little bit of salt. So here we go. I'm going to make it for you. Ta-da! All the ingredients are right here. I've already scoped it all out for you. Now, instead of using sugar, you can use honey or molasses, or you can use any type of sugar that you want, okay? So I'm going to use 3 bananas. I'm going to put in my eggs. Here we go. Eggarama. And now you always want to have a flat surface for your eggs so that they crack better, okay? And then we're going to add the honey. We're going to add all my things that are kind of gooey, because that way I can mix it up nicer, okay? So here we go. I'm adding my honey instead of sugar, and I'm going to put in my butter. Here we go. Now, here we go. There's all the butter. Okay, now we're going to do my favorite thing. What's my favorite thing? Swooshing! Okay, let's throw the dogs out, I guess. They see them running around, but you still have 2 puppies left. You know, Panama Peg and her puppies. So this recipe also takes less than 20 minutes to make. You know, we like to do things fast around here because we don't have a lot of time. We want to enjoy it. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to add the flour, which I've already measured out. So it's 1.5 cups. And we're going to add a little bit of a teaspoon of baking soda. So when I do the baking soda, I like to filter it because sometimes you get these clumpy things. So I filter it through here. I just sift it out. Okay, we're done. And then I'm going to add some salt. Where's my salt? I know this recipe off by heart by now, because I've been doing it for so many years. So here we go. I like to use Himalayan salt. It's a bit better for you. So 1 teaspoon. Here we go. And we swoosh again. My favorite word. Okay, here we go. Where you can add whatever you like. So what would you like, Manu?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips,
yeah.
Raisins, walnuts.
Yeah, for sure.
Anything? Everything?
Yeah. Everything.
Okay, everything. We're going to do everything today. Okay, so we're going to throw a little bit of chocolate in there, because we can never have too much chocolate. There we go. Going to add some chocolate. And we're going to add some raisins. You like raisins? You can also do cran raisins. Et voila. Yoo-hoo. Okay. And again, I'm just going to swoosh this around a little bit. Et voila. Now the other reason I like to use honey is because it's full of B vitamins, which is what you need right now in these times of COVID. Okay, so I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use Pam. You can also use butter, or you can use canola oil, anything you want, just to make your little muffin thingies so that they're easier to pop out, okay? And then we're just going to fill our tray. And voila. How fast is that? How fast was that, Manu?
3 minutes.
Oh my goodness! can make this in the morning for your kids before they start their Zoom classes online, you know. So they always have something yummy to snack on. Because, you know, kids need a lot of food. It's for the brain. And this is healthy because you have your bananas, which is your potassium. And you have your honey, which is your B vitamins. You can also use molasses. Or sugarcane syrup is also good. Or you can use the old standard sugar, the brown sugar. That's also very good. Okay, turn this around. Now today I'm going to use my little toaster oven just to show you that it actually works in these little toaster ovens. You don't have to use your big oven unless you're making a lot of them. Okay, here we go. We're almost there. All right. Now you can also get this recipe. I think it's on my YouTube channel, Panama Peg 11. And I've started my blog. Yes. So you can go to my blog, which is on my website, pinkpalacepanama.com, in case. All right. So this is what the muffin tray looks like. Ta-da! And we're going to pop it in the little oven here. I've already got some other ones going here. As you can see, I got bigger ones going. These are plantain ones. They're quite good. They're very yummy. We did those with raisins. So here you go. This is it. The show is over. The fastest show in the Putachame, Panama. So here's your result when you finish. Manu, you're more than welcome to have one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
I can't
I'll
wait.
have this one. I'll have the big one.
Oh, yeah. I'll take the big one. So there you go. If you have any questions, please ask me. Send me a quick hello and ask me whatever questions you want. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And I hope you have an amazing Sunday. And I look forward to your comments on my new blog and also my Instagram. Okay? Have a wonderful Sunday, and we'll see you next week.